coming to you live from the Peace Lodge in La Paz Waterfall Gardens. This property is totally like no other. You won't find a property on earth like this possibly. And here they even have our names ready to go. We know where we are, we won't get lost. And now let's have a look. Here with Freddie. Freddie's going to show us tell us about our room. Freddie, we'll leave it to Freddie now.
This is your room. Welcome to the Peace Lodge. We have here the fireplace for you. Let me show the balcony. That's gonna be the view that you have every day here. We have a hammock. You will find a feeding time with the hummingbirds here. They come every day. This is part of the rainforest here in Costa Rica. There's the lakes. We have the birds, the place where you can see the sloths. We have toucans, butterflies. We have here a hot tub. You will find two frogs. Red hot water, blue is a cold water. You need to turn on and the water is coming here. And let me show you where is the bathroom. You know that we have a lot of waterfall here. You have your own waterfall at the room. This is your bathroom. And here, you will find your own waterfall here at the bathroom. Also one more hot tub here with two more frogs like outside. And that's one of the showers also that we have for you. There is one more shower here. See this.
Freddie, you sold me. The point you told me there's a waterfall in my bathroom. I don't know what, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. Peace Lodge, highly recommended. Gotta come for a stay in Costa Rica at the Peace Lodge.